Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope I'm live as well. I hope we're live, and then we will go straight away go toward the charts. Try to understand certain levels, and I believe new all-time high is coming up. Not today, maybe tomorrow. I would anticipate from the market it should knock or new all-time high. Yeah, tomorrow means like Friday, and then after that we have this weekend coming up as well. If tomorrow market failed to, we have no news tomorrow. I really wanted to see United States Independence Day, United States public holiday, 4th of July, Independence Day. Tomorrow we have a holiday on in the USA. So everything will be shut down. I'm already anticipating that a sideways price action will be tomorrow. And tomorrow we have like no news as well. Definitely everything is shut in here. So I'm already anticipating that market just because we have a news tomorrow, just in case, just because of that reason, market may not knock all-time high from here. Otherwise, my probability, first probability or the possibility will be on a charts to knock the previous all-time high from here. Because the way it has shown this bullish price action toward upper side, everyone was bearish at this point. I was also bearish, looking for this daily pivot gap to come down. But the way it has on Thursday, Wednesday, aggressive bullish price action from the market has formed. Today it was bullish, knocked the yesterday high as well, and tried to knock these high as well. I was looking for these highs and all-time high as well today, but failed to do so. On a bullish case scenario, I would anticipate market open not to go the previous daily candle low and try to bullish, try to knock the previous or daily high and this daily high and all-time high as well. This will be my first probability and the possibility on a charts on 4 hour daily time frame. But the second possibility and the probability is market may not knock the all-time high tomorrow. Market may not go above the previous daily high as well. The only reason is tomorrow is a public holiday on the US. Everything will be shut. Independence Day. So we could anticipate that. I can explain to you just a second. So yeah. So we have this Independence Day on the United States. So everything will be shut down. Nothing, no one will be trading. So that's why market may remain inside this daily level, and then it may not knock all-time high from here. This is also possible as well from the charts. We cannot deny about that. This is the thing, and these are the two possibilities I am anticipating or expecting from the market that may played out tomorrow. So watching about like I really wanted to discuss today's morning session as well. It's 1850 market is US market is closed now, and tomorrow is already holiday. So I think that the weekly candle is like done. On weekly time frame, market has done what it has to do, and it may completely remain sideways, like doing nothing on today and tomorrow as well. So we'll discuss that as well. It was this 4 hour time frame gap, market tapped into that. This was very aggressive bullish per second from the market yesterday. If you go to shorter term time frame, I was watching this per second like at this point yesterday as well. We was watching a yesterday morning session at this point. It could be aggressively bullish from here for those highs and previous highs as well. It continues some aggressive price action toward upper side. remained sideways after our in afternoon session, and it tapped into this 4 out of 50 gap, gonna again toward upper side. And this was today's price action for the market after the opening, gone up toward upper side. And this week was the news. It has performed, it went down from here, and we'll discuss morning session as well, just in for a bit. So tap into 4 fair value gap, failed to go. I was anticipating all-time high from here, but this is a complete rejection from previous all-time high, and this is a daily high as well from the market today. It has done that on 1 hour time frame as well. This is a complete rejection. This area is a complete rejection from the previous all-time high and this daily high as well. Market has complete. I was anticipating continuation toward upward side, but some complete rejection has shown at this point. Now market is more of like back testing the previous range from here, and tomorrow I'm anticipating no big move toward upper side. That's why we could remain sideways or maybe bearish as well toward low level from here. We could not deny about that as well. And this is how it is. A 1 hour time frame. Look at this. This is very choppy per second for the market. We can say that, but this is the thing. Like if, for example, like from market has to not to go to all-time high from here. This is the previous high. Market has performed show rejection like quite aggressively. It has gone down from here toward low levels. I would anticipate that this should be the local top, and from here market is bearish if it has to not to knock the all-time high. If it remains sideways, like very close to this high, high, great highs, very close to this high as well, then we will anticipate that it could be more of a like bullish, continue to be bullish as well from here. If it has to go down from here, this is the top. Market should have to be coming down from here. Spend did not have to spend much time at this range as well. It is also possible that could make a one more leg toward upper side from here, then come back down and then be bearish as well. And then which is also possible as well. Quite a bit of possibilities on the probabilities we have that may played out on shorter term time frame tomorrow, but I'm anticipating more of like sideways for a second for the market. If you go to 30-minute time frame, so we have nothing on a charts on 30-minute time frame as well. We will discuss morning session with you, and also 15-minute time frame. We have nothing on a charts in here, nothing on a charts in here. This kind of projection market is usually formed when it has to do nothing, and I'm anticipating that it may not do nothing or maybe remain downside, maybe bullish. I'm more of like unlikely that market could be bullish from here. On 5-minute time frame, we have nothing on a chart. We'll go to 1 hour time, 1 minute time frame straight away. Try to understand. So this was early in the morning session. Market went right up a side, look, tapped into this 4 hour time fairly gap, knocking all of those highs. This was early 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock, this price action market has performed all the way going knocking all of those highs, previous highs. Could have been a very good trade as well. You wait for the new day opening candle, market open, go down from here, go down a little bit. Pick has already tapped into this overall early gap. From here, you buy, look for all of those highs. Could have been a good trade. This is more of like London session, 1 a.m. to 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. in early in the morning. You cannot deny about that as well. And then this remains sideways at this point. From here, show rejection from the previous all-time high. And this week was 1:30 New York time, 1:30 London time, 8:30 New York time, weak candle because of the news. After that, my market went down from here. I would say that today's morning session was not easy to trade, by the way, because it was trading at this range when markets open at 9:30 in here. And from here to anticipate from the market like which way it could go could very difficult. Like from here, you can anticipate for out of a fair value gap and these lows as well. For the bearish case scenario, definitely from here to quite a big range, like this is the high now. To anticipate from here market should be bullish. Only way possible is aggressive bullish price action from the market, and we have seen that aggressive bullish price action from the market all the way toward upper side. And this is what it is. It has done uh, difficult to trade. I would say that difficult to trade. very difficult to trade at this point. Like you don't know which way it could go from here. Like and all of a sudden it went toward upper side. At this range, while it was trading in here, we created this fair value gap. By the way, this 15-minute time frame fair value gap. For example, I was when it went toward upper side from here, I was watching the charts before the opening bell, but when it opened, I was not actually watching the charts. I was at my job, busy. When it went toward upper side from here, it was trading at this range. At this range, I was anticipating that market could continue its momentum toward upper side from here, aggressive for this high and that high, or maybe previous all-time high as well. And at this point, we have seen that like for if it has to be aggressively bullish from here, what it has to do, it should have to not to knock the previous 1 hour time frame low. This was the previous 1 hour time frame low it has created at this point. This is the previous low market has created on 1 minute time frame. And it should not have to go below this low. It was holding this, went toward upper side, just make a retest roll down side again, did not to go went below this low. From here, bounced toward upper side. You look for those highs to be knocked off. And all-time high as well. Went toward upper side. Not an ideal trade, but could have been a trade. But I would say that this is not clean for a second from the market, by the way. This for a second, yes, it has went toward upper side, but it was not a clean for a second. All the way toward upper side, 109, 600 to all the way to 110, 300. More than a far $700 move it has done today. So this is how it is. Not a very because at this point as well, overall we was bullish. Technically speaking, I was anticipating for the market continuation toward upper side from here, but it showed rejection from here, coming back down, down and down. Difficult to trade this per second as well toward downside. Not easy as well. So I would say that today's morning session was not easy to trade. Could have been a trade if you like really have a much experience on charts and then you really think that from here market is bullish, uh, then you could have jumped into trade as well. And tomorrow as well, I'm anticipating no price action move, no no probability for the market to be bullish, no probability for the market to be bearish. I'm anticipating a complete sideways price action from the market, and this is how it is. I'm watching and observing the charts. And I think this weekly candle or weekly per second has done today. A weekly, the way market has to do, it has done. And if you consider that Monday, it was at this was a short at this Monday. Tuesday was at this short on a charts in the morning session. Just went right up aside from here, then went down. And then Wednesday was this trade. And Thursday, early new day opening candle was a trade, ideal trade. After that, morning section was not a good trade as I could not be able to take any kind of trade. Monday I was at my job. Tuesday we missed this trade. No, I did not remember. And Wednesday we missed this trade. Thursday today as well I was at my job. Could I have done no trade on this whole week? I was looking for certain levels, certain price action, certain trades to be taken off, but we have not taken any trade on a Tuesday as well. Then this was 10:30. Yeah, we miss all of those trades on charts. This could have been a trade as well on Tuesday afternoon session. I was watching and observing the charts, but it went down. Did not trade as well from here as well. And yeah, this is how it is. This is what it is I wanted to discuss from the market. We have discussed everything, guys. Like, there's no point to be in front of the charts. Like, market is completely choppy and boring right now. I have to go for a sleep. Woke up. I have to woke up